Good morning, my people. Welcome to a new vlog. Today I'm starting my video, this vlog outside, walking towards the laundromat. About to do my laundry today because it's been a week since I arrived and I'm running out of clothes to wear. I'm in the beautiful Marrakech. It's about a 9-minute walk towards the laundromat, and I decided to walk instead of taking taxi because it's beautiful weather today. It's a little bit grayish, but it's hot. It is hot. Look at that, look at the palm trees. Oh my days, the views here just amazing. Yeah guys, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for coming back to watch the video. I appreciate you so much. Thank you. All right, heading to the laundromat as my first task of the day to get my laundry done, and then we'll see what the day brings. Yeah, I might just go and grab some lunch at the Medina, but we'll see. Right now it's a little bit, I'm in downtown of Marrakech, just to do some laundry, and then let me cross the road carefully, because here people don't care about the zebra path. You see, like that, they don't care. That lane, they just go about driving like mad. So you have to watch that, definitely watch that. Look at that, look what I'm seeing, like a Lamborghini green color. Beautiful car. All right guys, heading to the laundromat to do my laundry. It is beautiful Marrakech. All right, I'll catch you once I get there. Let's go. So I just arrived at the laundry. Let me see if it's open today. It doesn't look like it's open. It's over here, this one. Let's see if it's open. I hope it's open. Yeah, I think it's open. Let me check it out. So I just left the laundromat. It is open. Yes. I left my laundry in there. They're gonna be cleaning them, ironing them and all that. And I have to be back here. It's around 12 p.m. I have to be back here at 4 p.m. to pick everything up. Yeah, it's that one. And I'm gonna be paying like 64 dirhams. That's about €5.50, because I have laundry for like 2 kilos, which is no bad. Yeah, all right, catch you on the next one. Let's go. Yeah, so I've been walking alongside the road all the probably 2 kilometers, but it looks like a hiking area down there, and I'm looking to go and explore. Let's see if I can cross the road safely and go and explore this area, because it looks interesting. Yeah, let's go check it out. I've seen like a few people running up there, so I'm gonna quickly. Oh, you go like stray dogs. They might sometimes be very aggressive. You got like a stray dog here, but I'm planning to go all the way up there. Let's see if I can get there safely. First of all, I want to go past this stray dog. So we are just past the entrance, and I want to go check it out up there. Yeah, it's a good workout also. Yeah. So you got the city on this side. Lots of buildings being built here. And you go like a hilltop up there. And probably like a place where they trash everything down there. Yeah, let's explore this side. Let's go. I'm curious what I will find. Let's go. Yeah, it's a good place because I saw like people were running up this hill. And as you just can see where I just left. It's a little bit downhill. Alright, let's go up here. All the way up there. Oh, wow. Beautiful. Beautiful. So up here, there's like a fence here. And there's like animals here. Looks like someone lives up there. Yeah, wow. Goats. And there's like a whole city back here. And a few stray dogs. Different part of Marrakech, really. Look at that, you got a few houses down there. So you got goats eating peppers. I don't think that's a good idea. Hey goat. Stray dogs. Wow, this place looks so different from the main city area. Wow, I wish I knew what this is exactly. It looks fancy, it looks nice, because they go like a football pitch down there. Ah, beautiful, beautiful. From this side of the wall. Can even go probably even up there. That's my goal. Just walking all the way up there. Let's see if I can reach it. Wow. Well developed area, really. Because like, look at that. Everyone go like the satellite dishes. Satellite dish everywhere you look. They are connected. Beautiful, really beautiful. And it's like a fenced area, community, gated community, I would say. All right, let's keep exploring. Let's go. So finally made it all the way to the top. But guess what? There is even a higher place up there, where I am definitely going to try and see if I can get up there. Yeah, let's keep on hiking, exploring this beautiful city. From here you can see like a football pitch is down there. Very nice, beautifully designed. And you go like a community down here. Really, really nice. Alright, the hike goes on. Yep, I made it all the way up here. Look at that. This is my views. Wow, 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 wow. Amazing, amazing. Like, from the way down there to up here, it's probably like a good kilometer. Yeah, distance, 1 kilometer distance. It is amazing. Look at these views, guys. Wow. Beautiful houses. Beautiful, beautiful. And you got like a wall up here going way back there. Wow, I love this. And the sun is coming out finally. Alright, let's get back down. Because these views are just amazing. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Wow. Alright, let's get back down. So after like a long walk, I come to this. Look at that. Some bread and fries. It's called Tangier or something like that. I will look up the name and link it down below. And this beautiful place, there you go. It's like a bakery shop with like a restaurant attached to it. I love the seats. Alright, let's dig in. So I just got my laundry back up there, and that's the name of the place. I did my laundry today. It is well packed. It's unbelievable. Let me show you guys. It looks like new now. Look at that. Look at that. They like separated everything. I love that. All right. Heading home now to drop this off and then head off to Medina because I have an appointment down there. All right, guys. I'll catch you on the next one. Don't forget, be kind to another. Peace.